Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be pulling up my shirt here. Today I'm going to be opening up my, let me get it here, cover my address, my Nadine West. So Nadine West is a clothing company. They send you some clothes for a little under $10 a month. You try everything on, keep what you want, send back what you don't. They also have accessories such as handbags now, from what I understand, and necklaces and bracelets, earrings. So I'm going to show you what I got. We're going to do a try on, and then I'm going to give my final thoughts on everything. So let me go ahead and kind of show you what I got. So they always come in these little burritos, I guess you can call them. The first thing I got. I don't want to spill my coffee by accident. That would be a disaster. Oh, well, let me show you too. First of all, before I forget, it's free to send everything back. They do send a prepaid envelope, and they have a label, and on the label also they have everything that you that is in your package with the prices on them. So just to let you know, I'm skipping over some parts. It's been a little while since I've done a Nadine West video, so I think I've got it all now, but I can't seem to get my camera the right way. All right, anyway, let's get started. And you can also just send it back right from your mailbox. I just always get a pickup. I request a pickup from the USPS.com website, and I request a pickup, but my mail carrier said I don't even need to if the package is, big enough to fit in his, his big carrier package, his bag. But anyway, so it's all free. Send everything back. This is the first shirt. I really like this. This is beautiful. Very pretty. My dog is trying to run away with the paper. So this is by, and I think I may need my glasses for all of this. Boy, I'm not prepared. How can I not be prepared? I just had my glasses in my hand. Here they are. Yeah. All right. So the maker, the brand name is Allie and Rob. This shirt, and this shirt is the Allie and Rob shirt, and it is $14.99, so it's a $15 shirt. The prices are all really, really good with Nadine West. Feels super soft too. Let's see what it's made out of. Brooklyn, you gotta get down, baby. My little Yorkie's got to get down because she's starting to get into things. It's 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. The colors of my daughter's high school are orange and black, and I'm a substitute teacher there. So this would be really good to wear on Fridays. Everyone wears orange. So my phone keeps going down, you guys. There's my Yorkie. You can see her. She's trying to cause trouble. All right. Next thing I received is this dress. I love the way it feels, first of all. I can't really say honestly that I like the color, but here it is here. I definitely will try this on. I don't know. I mean, in person, feeling it and stuff, it does feel nice. So go ahead and give this a try. So the dress is called a cherry knit dress with gold ring detail. It is $39.99. And the brand is Find Me Plus. Find Me Plus. And I don't know, because here is the brand here. So that must say Find Me Plus. I don't know. It's in a different language. So I don't know. But here it is again. All right, but look forward to trying this on. All right, so that's a dress and a top, and then we've got another top here. Oh, this is beautiful. This is lovely. This is by DNA Couture. It's very, very pretty. I love it. I look forward to trying this on. And this is it's a hot pink. It's called an Era Stretch Satin Short Sleeved Blouse for $19.99. So this is a really good priced blouse as well, you guys. The prices are really, really good. So far, so good. All right, my next little bundle here, I believe, are 2 pairs of pants, and I think I have a necklace somewhere. I hope my dog didn't run off with it. I'll have to find that and put that on. But let me go ahead and, where's my necklace? Where's the necklace? The necklace is really pretty. Okay, so here's the next little bundle. They are, it's a couple of 2 black pants actually. And here's the first pair. Very nice black slacks. I really, really actually love these. They're a very great material. They are a size small medium by Lamite. And these are by Lamite. Let me see. These are, they must be the Flora bottoms. $19.99. So again, not bad. My ring light keeps falling. I think there's really something wrong with this ring light, you guys. In fact, I know there is. So I'm gonna have to invest in a new one. So sorry, I keep moving it around. All right, and here's ooh, these are super soft. These are leggings. Yeah, so my ring light kept falling down. This whole video, I kept having to adjust it. So I do apologize. I might have to do this whole video over. I'm going to look back and see what it looks like. But yeah, that's kind of a nightmare when things don't work out the way you want them to. But these are by Laundry is the name of the company on these. They are just a really nice legging with a little bit of detail here. Super soft. They almost look like they're going to be cropped on the bottom. I'm not sure, you know, like a shorter style, but I'm only 4'11", so we'll see how short that is on me. They look really tiny, and I'm not really sure. They're pretty stretchy, but I might have my daughter try them on too and see if she likes these as well. But they are just some really nice leggings. And these cost, I believe, oh, here's my glasses. That would help. These cost $24.99. All right. And here is the necklace. I found it. I found it. So let me show this to you. This is by far probably the prettiest necklace, I think, that, well, in my opinion, that I've gotten from Nadine West in a long time. By the way, I think this is like my 40th Nadine West package. I do get these free for review, but I didn't always get them free for review. I used to have a subscription to Nadine West for a long time before I became an affiliate with them, just to let you know. But so all of these items, they do let me keep. However, the ones that I don't want, the ones that don't fit, those I do send back to Nadine West after I let my daughter look and see if she wants anything. And that's just because, you know, even though they let me keep them, if I'm not going to use them, I'd rather let Nadine West sell them back to, you know, sell them. Like, you know, put them back in their inventory and send them on to somebody else who might want to keep them. So let me go ahead and make sure the necklace is on the right way. Yes. And it does have a little extender here. And let me go ahead and put this on, hopefully with no problem. Okay, so I have the necklace on there, and I think it's super pretty. I really like it a lot. All right, so I'm going to move on now to the try-on portion. Hopefully I won't have any more problems with this camera thing. You know, the whole ring light. I don't know if you guys are YouTube creators, but this is like the second or third ring light I've gone through where it just kind of starts to sink, and like you tighten it up and you tighten it up trying to get it to stay, but it just continues to just want to sink down, 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 down. So anyway, I'll go ahead and do the try on portion and I will be right back. The first thing I tried on was the leggings, and the leggings are okay. They're super skin tight on me though. You know, they're leggings, so there's that. But they are pretty tight. They're really cute. They do have this detail on the side. I don't know how much you're really gonna see on the camera, but they do have this little detailing here, and you know, they'd be great for working out or exercising, whatever, walking, none of which I do, but let me go ahead and let you know they are really comfortable, they're cute, and if I did a lot of exercise or whatever, I would definitely want to keep these. So I'm going to give these 2 thumbs up, even though for my lifestyle I probably wouldn't be needing some leggings like this, but yeah, I think they're cute. All right, moving on. This is the second outfit. This is much more my style. I absolutely love this top. I love it, I love it, I love it. I think it is super cute. And these are the black slacks, and I love these too. They do have working pockets. They're a great length on me, a great size. And yes to both these pieces. I would definitely purchase both of these pieces. Again, I do get these free for review, so I do not have to purchase them at this time, but you know, before, when I did purchase everything from Nadine West, I would definitely have purchased these 2 pieces. The price is there, the fabric and the look is there, and I really like this. So let me go ahead and move on to the next shirt, and then we'll try on the dress. All right, hold on just a moment. Here's the next shirt with the same slacks on that I put on, and yeah, I like the top. It's really cute. It's super soft, and I love the color. And this top as well would be something that I would definitely want to purchase. And I think it is just super cute. I really like it. So yeah, you probably will see some little critters, you know, there's my Yorkie. I think that's my cat back there. My other dog, I think, made an appearance, and I do have a little rabbit hopping around here somewhere you might see as well. But yeah, so this is the second top, and I love it. So far I love 3 of the 5 pieces they sent. Well, if you count this, then 4 of the 5 pieces they sent so far. So let me go ahead and try on the dress. Here it is. So it is about, I don't know, knee length, a little above my knee, or you know, if I'm looking down, it's a little below my knee. So it's kind of hard to tell. I'm gonna have to look in the camera, but I think it's right at my knee anyway. But I don't know. I don't think the color does me any good. It's cute. I like the design. If it was a different pattern, maybe a different color, I would really like this. So I don't think I'm a huge fan of the dress, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, that is my try-on portion. So let me go ahead and I'm going to be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so for my final thoughts, let me go ahead and tell you how much this necklace costs, because I did forget to tell you that, I think. And this necklace was $11.99, so a $12 necklace. It's the brand is Leemode, Leemode. So yeah, it's super cute. It's called an Annalise necklace. And so for my final thoughts, I love the two tops, the black slacks, love those, love the necklace. The dress, I'm just not a huge fan of the dress. I love the fabric, I love the feel, but I don't like the print. And let's see what else. And the yoga pants, which I'm thinking they're more like yoga pants because that's what they feel like to me. Those probably wouldn't be something that I would purchase if I was to purchase anything out of my bag, because again, it's not something I would use. So yes to both the tops, yes to the black slacks, and yes to the necklace. So I think that is pretty good. There's 2, 3, 4. So I think that is pretty good. 4 out of 6 pieces. Thumbs up. So Nadine West has made some changes. So if you are interested in Nadine West, please check out my code in the description box and my link and try it out. It's, again, $9.99 a month, and I believe you get your first month free. I'm not sure, but check the link, click through it, and they always have some sort of sale going on. All right. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please comment down below, and have a great day. Bye.